Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a housing revolution that is changing the way we think about urban living and narrow properties. But first, what exactly does it mean to have a modular home for a loft? Small lot. Simply put, a modular home is a high-quality dwelling built in sections or modules within a climate-controlled factory setting before being transported and assembled on your specific site. When we talk about small lot modular homes, we are referring to designs specifically engineered to maximize vertical space and functional footprints on limited land, such as narrow city infill lots or compact backyard accessory dwelling units. These aren't your average mobile homes. They are permanent structures that meet or exceed traditional building codes. Tailored perfectly for tight spaces, choosing a modular home for a small lot offers a wealth of practical and financial advantages. One of the most significant benefits is the speed of construction, because the home is built off-site while your land is being prepared. You can often move in months sooner than with traditional site-built homes. Furthermore, the precision of factory engineering leads to superior energy efficiency and less material waste, making it an eco-friendly choice for the conscious homeowner. For those dealing with small lots, modular construction minimizes the chaos and noise of a long-term construction site in a crowded neighborhood. Additionally, because the costs are often more predictable, you can achieve a high-end modern aesthetic without the custom-built price tag, allowing you to invest more in the interior finishes that make a small space feel like a palace. Decorating the exterior of a small modular home is all about creating visual interest and the illusion of depth. To make a small lot look grand, start with a cohesive color palette. Using lighter shades can make the structure feel airy while dark. Bold accents on window frames or doors add a contemporary edge. Incorporating living elements is also key. Vertical gardens, sleek planters, and strategic landscaping can soften the hard lines of the modules and blend the home into its environment. Lighting plays a massive role as well. Use up lighting on the facade and warm pathway lights to create a welcoming glow that extends the home's presence into the evening. By using high-quality materials like wood siding, metal panels, or stone veneers in small sections, you can create a layered look that feels expensive and intentionally designed rather than mass-produced. When it comes to style, modular homes for small lots are incredibly versatile, ranging from ultra-modern to charmingly traditional. The modern minimalist style is a top contender, featuring flat roofs, large floor-to-ceiling windows, and open floor plans that make a tiny footprint feel massive. Another popular option is the modern farmhouse or cottage style, which uses gabled roofs and inviting porches to provide a timeless, cozy feel that fits perfectly into established neighborhoods. For those in wooded or rural small lots, the Scandinavian cabin aesthetic with its heavy use of natural wood and clean lines creates a serene retreat. The beauty of modular design is that you don't have to sacrifice your personal taste. Whether you prefer industrial chic with corrugated metal or a classic suburban look with horizontal siding, there is a modular style that can be scaled down perfectly for your lot. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best modular homes for small lots ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. 1. The Elevated Woodland Studio. This stunning design features a raised foundation that allows the home to sit gently on uneven terrain. With its warm wood siding and a dramatic overhanging roof, it provides a protected outdoor porch area that effectively doubles the living space. The large glass doors create a seamless transition between the cozy interior and the surrounding forest, proving that small homes can feel incredibly expansive. 2, the industrial urban infill masterpiece of modern architecture. This home utilizes vertical black metal siding to create a sleek, narrow profile perfect for city lots. The warm wood accents around the entrance and windows break up the dark facade, adding a touch of organic warmth. The large windows are strategically placed to let in maximum light while maintaining privacy from neighbors. 3. The Sunset Deck Pavilion. This single-story modular design focuses on horizontal lines to make a small lot feel wider. It features a beautiful wraparound wooden deck and an integrated metal pergola that provides shade. The combination of dark charcoal panels and rich wood creates a sophisticated, high-contrast look that is perfect for entertaining guests outdoors. 4. The modern glass-front villa. This design is all about transparency and light. The front facade is almost entirely composed of sliding glass doors, protected by a deep roof overhang that creates a functional outdoor living room. The gray vertical siding and dark trim give it a clean, contemporary aesthetic that looks beautiful against a lush green lawn. 5. The Gabled Timber Retreat. Perfect for those who love a classic silhouette. This home features a traditional gabled roof with a modern twist. The vertical wood cladding and large symmetrical windows give it a clean, Scandi-inspired vibe. The small front porch is integrated into the main structure, providing a sheltered spot to enjoy the fresh air without taking up extra yard space. 6. The two-story stacked minimalist. When land is scarce, go up. This two-story modular home features a stacked design with a white-trimmed lower level and a light wood upper level. The use of large glass sections on both floors ensures the interior never feels cramped, while the flat roof design keeps the overall look crisp and modern. 7. The Navy Blue Forest Dweller. This two-story design uses a bold navy blue horizontal siding contrasted with warm wood gables. The design includes a large detached wooden deck that extends the living area into the yard. It's a perfect example of how color can give a small modular home a strong, unique personality that stands out amongst the trees. 8. The Prairie-Style Mono-Slope. Featuring a striking mono-slope roof, this home is designed to capture views and sun. The golden-toned wood siding and expansive deck make it feel like a luxury resort suite. The rocky landscaping at the base grounds the home, making it look like a permanent, custom-built fixture of the landscape. 9. The Coastal Cottage Charm. This modular home brings traditional charm to a small footprint with light blue siding, white trim, and a classic brick foundation. The inviting front porch with white railings offers a perfect spot for morning coffee, showing that modular homes can perfectly mimic the look of a high-end, site-built suburban cottage. 10. The Cedar-Clad Sanctuary. Simplicity at its finest. This home is wrapped in beautiful vertical cedar planks, the asymmetrical window placement, and the simple box shape make it incredibly cost-effective to build while maintaining a high design feel. The small garden beds and minimal steps lead into an open concept interior that prioritizes functional, clutter-free living. Asterisk, 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 building a home on a small lot doesn't mean you have to compromise on style, quality, or comfort. As we've seen, today, modular homes offer a smart, sustainable, and stunningly beautiful solution for maximizing every square inch of your property. Whether you are looking for a sleek urban retreat or a cozy backyard guest house, the flexibility of modular construction allows you to bring your dream home to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. It's about building smarter, not just bigger, and creating a space that truly reflects your lifestyle. If you found these modular home ideas inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and decor inspiration. We want to hear from you which of the 10 designs was your favorite. Would you ever consider living in a modular home on a small lot? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.